Hello friends, are you tired of your small home office feeling cramped and uninspiring? In this video, we have got you covered with a fresh dose of creativity and practicality to transform your compact workspace into a stylish and productive heaven. So get ready to discover a world of small home office decor ideas that will make you excited to work from home every day. From innovative storage solutions to space saving furniture, we have curated an array of inspirational design concepts that will help you to make the most of your limited space. In this video, we will explore clever furniture choices that maximize space, tips for adding greenery and natural elements, creative storage solutions to keep you organized, stylish color palettes and decor themes, lightning tricks for an inviting and productive ambience, wall decor and art inspiration to live up your workspace, as well as smart tech and gadgets for a modern touch. Whether you are a student or a remote worker or simply someone who needs a cozy corner to manage bills and paperwork, this video has something for everyone looking to create a small but stylish home office. So don't let your limited space hold you back. With our decor ideas, your small home office can become a reflection of your style and a hub of productivity. Watch this video to unlock the secrets of small home office decor that will truly transform your work from home experience. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor and organization inspiration. Let's make your small home office the best it can be. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.